This has been the hottest Nike outlet in Vegas. Always the biggest crowds, and every time I've come, they've always had the best stuff. And you guys in the comment section have always agreed with me. 40% off on the back wall here too. Starting with the 10.5s, 140 for the ones. Got 2 3s right here, 110. With the 40% off, might be better prices in the clearance store, but I think it's going to depend on what it is. 160 for the Air Max DMs. Look at how many of the ones they have. Holy cow. Got them in every size too. Air Max 90s, and this is the one where the midsole, this is the B grade one, right? The midsole does not look the exact same color. 135 still. Crazy that they'd be asking for regular price for the B grades. 90 for the mids. Damn, I hyped this place up. Haven't found nothing yet. The V5's $85. These are going for 130, so 40 off. I'm trying to think of which one's cheaper here. The clearance. Lunar Roams. Oh, my bad. Jordan Trunners, $80. They look like the Lunar Roams from afar. Oh, that's why they put it backwards, because box is all torn up. $70 for the 312 Jordan 1 lows. I was hyping this spot up and they ain't got nothing so far. What the hell? Damn, I was hyping this spot up. Ain't found nothing yet. Got 4 racks of 40% off. AKA clearance apparel. What is this? Who's this? Prefontaine from way back when? The hell? Okay. Random. $40. Man, some of their t-shirts are just kind of silly. I don't know who's buying that stuff. They got LeBron long sleeve shirts right here. These bad boys going for 25. Is the WNBA done, or are they coming back? Are they done or they come back? I don't know. 40. Oh my god, I'm like starving. I've been trying to watch what I eat. Calories. I've only had 600 calories, and it's 3 o'clock. And I've been up since 5 a.m. So, oh man, yeah, I need to grab some grub skis before I go drinking. Trying to hit up the ABC store right around the corner. Those of you guys that have been to Hawaii know about that, but they do have those stores here. They have a couple on the strip too now. That's a brand new thing. That's a rain jacket for way too much. But yeah, they have some on the strip too now. That's kind of a new thing. So I'm kind of excited to check that out. They have one on Fremont Street, so I might go there. Got the Mamba hoodie that matches the pants that I have on. $60, 40 off, so that's $36. The 24/7 jackets. The 24/7 line is really, it includes really good material, but it's all thin. All the materials like really thin. $100 for that, but all the materials like hella thick, and all their materials are like hella premium and stuff. Look, this is what matches mine. But yeah, $60. Got a few mediums. Back on the back wall, and we got some dope stuff. Look at this. Do got the glow greens right here. 140 though, damn. A little bit high. Got some Cortez old school nylons right here. 65. Jordan 2.3s, 110. 75 for this colorway. Another one of these. Book ones right here. What they talking about? These are 120. I'm curious to see what these are, because they're giving everybody the box. The Jordan Sessions 45. Remember, you could get another 40 off. I was like, what are these? I don't know what these are for. I don't know. We've seen these a couple times, but yeah, $35. Obviously, it's for some sport. This is discus throwing. Is it discus throwing? I don't know. Size 8s, Air Max DNs 160. Oh, these are women's Cortez. That's funny. They're women's. Yeah, 65. They threw them in the size 8 men's though. Book 1s, 120. Got a couple of shocks. The TLs 120. Then the R4s 155. Air Max 2017s, $100. All right, they do have a pretty big wall. Let's go check out the bigger sizes. Knock out the clearance section. All kinds of mids. Size 11, $80. Flight Courts, 80. Seen a bunch of these. What the hell are these? The Air Max Don, $70. I've seen these in every size. Jordan 4Ms, 90. Jordan 1 High OG, I guarantee those aren't retail. Got plenty of these mids. These are SEs, 80 bucks. Moving up to the 12, see more of these. Oh, these are 11.5, 140. And then I was like, this isn't the one that we saw earlier, right? Size 13 of these, still 70 bucks. Another one of these. Jordan Maxins, 200s right here. These are 70. Trunners going for 80. University Blue Jordan 1. Lows right here. Why wouldn't you just get the OGs instead? I guess they're more white. Yeah, 100 bucks. Shattered backboard mids right here, $90. Got some Cortez. These are the nylon bad boys, 70 or 95. My bad, that's retail. 13's just this little section right here. We're seeing Metcons where we've seen a million of $70 for those. Air Max D ends right here. Got some technical difficulty, 100 bucks. And then seeing like a lot of the same stuff we've seen. A lot of the same stuff. No extended size pricing or nothing. All right, let's knock out the rest of the clearance apparel. And they have been having a lot of running shorts. Super thin, super short, 25 bucks, super cheap at least. So I was like, are these swimming trunks? I don't think they're swimming trunks. They're just tech pants with that big old pocket. I was like, is that for vents too? $60. Got some golf pants right here if you want to be extra bright, at least. Well, hopefully people don't hit you with the ball. You're bright as hell, man. You're gonna be blinding people. Maybe they will hit you with the ball. They'll be blinded. 45, normally $95. What the hell? I'm always astonished with the shorts prices. Just kind of crazy. The longs over here, aka pants, $40 for the Mamba jersey pants. These compression pants, I don't know. These are like super duper slim, 45. These in different sizes. What are these, track pants? Track pants looking things, 75 bucks. Holy crap, Jordan brand. And all kinds of compression pants. It looks like, what, like, I don't know how many dudes wear compression pants like that. I don't know. It says running, Nike running. But yeah, they'll go for $62. In the aisles, they do have a few Jordan retros. Got the Rare Air Jordan 1 highs. UNC reimagined. Got the Jordan 1 low OGs. Got the Pure Money 3s. I just realized I got all three of these for heavy discount. Did that even make sense? For heavily discounted prices. And then dude got some, or a whole aisle of the non-signature Jordan brand shoes over here. Budget Nike signature basketball shoes right here. All I'm thinking about is the ABC store. And we continue it on this side. Rejuvenate slides. Going down, down, down. Tech challenges. A couple of classic colorways. Flight legacies. Diamond turfs. Got dunk highs right here. A couple of dunk lows. Forces. They always give people even at regular price. And then got plenty of these Air Max 2017s. Last one right here. All white Air Max 90s. All black. Platinum tint. Iron gray, what the hell? Where's the blue? Then more of these on the back side. Showed you guys how to get those for hella cheap for your kiddos and stuff. Hopefully Chic returns with their sales. They got aisles and aisles of running stuff, but like nothing too premium. I see like Pegasus, Windflows, Revolutions, whatever. In the past, I have seen heat walls in the middle. I don't see any today. We're gonna go right to the women's clearance section. This isn't an outlet mall, so no Nike refurbished sneakers here. If you need the address, make sure you guys check the description. I just put the address in the description. Dang it, I was hoping these Vomeros are on sale. No, not really. I was also hoping I could find a 10.5. But I just see Jordan 1s right here. 70, is that 90? $90. You do get that 40 off. Infinity Run 4s right here for pretty cheap, $80. I've seen them cheaper. I thought we've only seen it cheaper. I've gotten mine cheaper. I've gotten multiple pairs cheaper. Ooh, 25 bucks? 25 bucks, especially if you need half sizes for men, because that's a 9.5. They don't really make slides in half sizes. So if you need a half size, that's your trick right there. Got a ton of A1s here. Apparently $90 for those. Look, they got more right there. Ton of these Air Max Muse. We've been seeing a bunch of these. 120. And I say there's a ton of repeats. Like, look at that. Look at all that. Holy crap. And then they got more over there. The Air Max Muse, see a ton. Second colorway right there. Got some Pegasus Premiums right here. This is the old Pegasus Premium though. So not the one, not the good one. $100. Dunks right here, 90. Pegasus 2005, $60 right there. All right, clearance section looking kind of mediocre. Let's check out the aisles. Air Max 270s. Got some Cortezes. Multiple aisles of the Air Force Ones. White and black dunks. 3 other dunks right there. A1s. The Brina 3s. A couple more 270s over here. Free Metcon 5s. We've been seeing those. Got a bunch of them, and then that's it. That's it. Oh, wait. They did not have these in the men's, but they do have 2 different colorways in the women's. And they only go up to size 10s. But yeah, 120. If these hit the back wall, they're gonna be priced. They're gonna be priced real good. Even have a Vomero Plus. Not bad at all. These look so freaking comfortable. Just in case I do a ton of walking, I did bring one of my New Balance, I think 1080s. I think I brought one of my 1080s. They got a couple more in here. A couple more fire, super comfy shoes. They got these Pegasus Premiums, normally $220. So not bad, not bad. These go up to size 11s here. We got a 3rd colorway right here. It's like a super light blue. All right, I think that's it. Usually I love hitting up the Nike outlets. Today it kind of felt like a chore. I don't know, probably because I just want to hurry up and go drinking, and there was nothing that I was really looking for. I was looking for some shoes for my kid and stuff, but that's about it. All right, we out, man. We out. Let's go. Hopefully I have some footage for you guys from the weekend. This is what I'm so excited for. They have an ABC store, and I didn't know they have a few of these in Vegas. I did run over here, and I'm hoping they have what I'm looking for. Do they? Oh, they only have the cold ones? Oh yeah, this is what I came here for. Oh my goodness, they don't have the Portuguese one, dang it. Oh, they have a chicken one. I wasn't aware. I have a chicken one, but I have to have that, That's gonna be 2 of these for $5. First meal, this is the first thing I'm eating in Vegas. 2 Spam Musubis, oh hell yeah, I'm so excited. So excited. I usually don't like eating stuff wrapped in plastic and stuff. I'm trying to be healthier, but this is just too good. That's just too good. I'm not even paying attention to driving right now. Should be in the right lane, but I'm in the left. So good. It's been sitting there for, I think they get their shipments like at 11, so it's been sitting there for a few hours. I don't care, it's so good. So good, oh my God. Perfect right before I drink a beer too. Bunch of carbs. Tiny bit of mystery meat. So good. So good. This is what I came to Vegas for. One of my boys is competing in this thing right here. The High Rocks. Bunch of running. Bunch of other activities. Where are these fools? Where are they? Let's go, Yuli! Let's go, Diego! Let's go, baby! There they are. Our boys are going over there. This is the farmer's carry. They're carrying 50 pounds in each hand. They have to do 2 laps. This is event number 6 right here. Some of them are running. Look at this. Some of these fools are good. This is a partners event, so they're changing hands if they need. Some of them are running. Look at them. This is sponsored by, losing my train of thought. This is sponsored by Puma, and yeah, they even have Puma shoes here. High Rock shoes. It's over there in the lab. Yeah, fools are running 2 laps. And then each event, 8 different events. And then more running. Then events, more running. looks interesting. Looks interesting. Maybe I can give it a try. I don't know. We'll see. Walking lunges. Event number 7. I think they got like 45 pounds, 20 kilograms that they have to do. I think they do 1 lap.
I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money,